This project here is an unsupervised machine learning model. We're going to use Kmeans basically to cluster the information. So first of all, we're going to import all these libraries here. We're going to use sklearn and lots of plot libraries as well. We're going to use a list of 30 stocks here. Let's set the start date. The end date is going to be today. It's 2020 as a start date. We're going to calculate the beta value of each of one of those stocks. So we need to use a benchmark. The benchmark that I chose is the S&P 500. So this is we're going to call it the market index. Okay, so now let's create a beta data frame. So now let's download the data, both stock and market, the benchmark data. And then we're going to calculate the percentage change, the daily returns for each one of them. And then we're going to calculate the beta value for each of them, which is pretty much we get the covariance of the stock return splitted by the variance of the market returns. Okay, so let's do this. Let's run this for each one of those stocks. So it's going to take a while because it's downloading all the information. Where is it? Okay, so now we have the data frame here with the beta value for all the stocks here. Okay, so the values above 1, it means that the stock is more volatile than the benchmark. Less than 1, it's less volatile than the benchmark. Okay, so now let's start the sklearn here. First of all, we're going to set X as the beta values. Then we're going to standardize them. Now we're going to set the numbers of clusters that we want. I chose 3 here. So it's going to split our group of data or of beta values in 3 groups. Okay, so now let's run the code itself. There you go, the Kmeans. Now let's get the clusters for each one of the stocks. Now let's see our data frame. As you can see here, it has split the beta values into 0, 1, and 2 clusters. Okay, now let's see the stocks for each cluster. There you go. Cluster 1, we have all these stocks. Cluster 2, we have all these stocks. And cluster 3, we have all those stocks. Now let's start plotting them. We're going to use okay, so we need to change that for beta value, beta data, the data frame, because it's, there you go, here. Okay, let's see if it works now. There you go. We have our plots here. We use the seaborn one. So as you can see, for each one of these lines here, we have a stock. And as you can see, the cluster 1 is red one, the cluster 2 is the green ones, and the cluster 3 is the blue ones. Actually 0, 1, and 2, okay? There you go. Now we are going to use another kind of plot here, so you have to make the same change here. Let's see what's going wrong here. Let me check it out. Name data, okay. I believe it's here. Let's see if it works now. There you go. So we have the same data. What is data? Let me see if I can find it. Data. Here. There you go. Get the row. Okay, so now it's working perfectly. So we plotted this graph here and to bring the name of the stock here, actually the symbol, right? Nearby the dots. Okay. And let's use this one as well. This one is the one that I like the most because if you hoof over the dot, you get all the information that you need. So for this one, we have the IBM stock and the value of the beta, and also in which cluster it is. So you can do this for all other dots here. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's a Kmeans model, a supervised one. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can improve it as well. Okay. Thank you.